my dear friends. So yesterday we were talking about a wonderful oral health care system which was practiced by our ancestors and how that could be bringing miracles in our life also. And today I am going to talk to you about your skin care. So generally we know that today we are carried away by a lot of advertisements on about soap, cleaning liquid and things like that. And I'm sure you all know what are the kind of chemicals available in that soap. But today, because the time has become very fast, we don't have time. What we do, we just put some kind of soap, water and all these things and then we run away. But I want you to take a little more attention on your skin health, because that's very, very important. Not just many people do care about the face, and of course some females do care about the hand and all these things, but generally the total body health is very important, and this should be done with a small massage at your bathroom when you're taking bath. And you have to prepare a wonderful homemade bathing powder. I would say bathing powder to make a massage of it. In fact, today you are seeing in beauty parlors, they are applying all these kind of fruit and other kind of paste for facial and things like that. Why don't you do a daily body facial or something, facial for your body or something like that? Because it is just not the skin of your face which has to be shining and glowing or wrinkle free, but the complete body need to have that luxury, isn't it? So why can't we spend 10 minutes in your bathroom doing this? So for that we are going to make our own ingredient, just like how we made yesterday for our oral health. So how are you going to make it? The world's best protein is available in grams, green gram and other kind of grams, whatever grams, which can be sprouted, right? You can take in 1 or 2 grams, like green grams, brown grams, red grams and all these, soya, all these things. Take a few grams which sprout them, and until the sprout becomes at least 1 inch, maybe it may take 1 week. Keep on daily watering it, make it a little big, let that sprout become big, and after that you just dry it up not in sun, but in your room. Just spread it in some cloth or some paper or something, dry it, then you put it in the mixie and make it a nice powder, and don't make it so smooth, let it be a little coarse. Then you can add triphala powder into it and hibiscus flower powder into it, and make your own body mask or whatever you may call to clean up your body. And every day take a scoop of it in a small bowl and add rose water into it. Rose water, generally you may get some rose water available in the market, but try to buy organic rose water, which may be a little bit costly, but buy that rose water, mix it into it and apply it on your body. After pouring water in your body, few cups, and after making your body wet, then you start applying it. Remember, close your eyes tightly because it should not enter in your eyes. Leave the eye area and all other area, you just apply it and keep massaging it very gently. And when you are doing this massaging, you can have a very beautiful prayer that let the universe give all kind of energy, strength, vitality to this body which is housing a wonderful soul. Just when massaging it, tell this in your mind. Keep on telling this, silently telling this, that the universe has to give all that energy to you, and that is going to happen. After that, you can wash it, wash your body with nice cool water. I advise not to use hot water. Normal water is very, very good. Just wash your body and then continue this at least 2 times a day. So thank God for giving me this opportunity. Tomorrow we'll catch up with something more interesting. God bless you all.